Revolut X has been making waves in the crypto trading space, but is it really the best platform for your needs? Let's dive into what it offers and whether it truly lives up to the hype or if it falls short. So, what exactly is Revolut X? It's a crypto trading platform from the well-known financial service Revolut, designed to make trading cryptocurrencies more accessible. The user interface is sleek and modern, which makes navigating through the various features quite intuitive. You can trade a wide array of cryptocurrencies, and it supports crypto-to-crypto trading, which is a nice touch for seasoned traders. One standout feature is the ability to hold multiple currencies in one account, making it easier for users to manage their assets. The app also provides real-time market data, which is crucial for making informed trading decisions. However, while the features look promising, some users might find the lack of advanced trading tools a bit limiting, especially if you're used to more sophisticated platforms. It's worth noting that the platform is geared towards both beginners and intermediate traders. However, if you're an advanced trader looking for complex charting tools, you might find it lacking. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Revolut X offers a user-friendly interface that's great for newcomers. The integration with the broader Revolut ecosystem is a big plus, allowing for easy transfers between fiat and crypto. Additionally, the real-time market data is a handy feature. On the flip side, some users have expressed concerns about the limited range of advanced trading features. If you're looking for options like margin trading or detailed analytics, you may feel restricted. Also, the platform's fees can be a bit higher than some dedicated crypto exchanges, which could eat into your profits. Overall, while Revolut X is great for beginners, those with more experience might want to explore other options that offer more robust trading tools. In conclusion, Revolut X is a solid choice for those new to crypto trading or those who want a straightforward platform. However, if you're an advanced trader seeking in-depth features and lower fees, you might want to consider alternatives. It's worth trying out, but be mindful of its limitations before fully committing.